Assam Police arrested an accused named Kajal Sarkar from Boalia Para of Mohanpur on charges of Rohingya trafficking. At the same time, a Bangladeshi citizen was also arrested. His name is Bishu Chandra Mandal. Likewise, over 9 other cards, 2 PAN cards and several Bangladeshi documents were recovered from the house of arrested Kajal Sarkar.
Assam Police investigating a case came to know that Kajal Sarkar, who was involved in Rohingya trafficking, was staying in Boalia Para, Mohanpur. Accordingly, a team of Assam Police rushed to the state. Assam Police arrested Kajal Sarkar from his house in the early hours of Saturday with the help of police from Sidai and Lafinga police station. The Assam Police arrested them early Saturday morning. The name of the arrested accused is Kajal Sarkar and the name of the arrested Bangladeshi citizen is Bishu Chandra Mandal. Assam Additional Superintendent of Police Mithun Shetia said that 9 other cards, 2 PAN cards and several Bangladeshi documents were recovered from the house of arrested Kajal Sarkar.
हमारा असम में केस रजिस्टर हुआ था एसटीएफ में, तो जिसकी तरफ यहाँ से जो कोई ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग का केस है, तो उसी सिलसिले में हम लोग यहाँ आया था और इंक्वायरी में मिला कि ये आदमी इन्वॉल्व है, उसमें काजल सरकार इन्वॉल्व है और उसके घर में हमको 2 फ़ोन, उसके बाद 9 आधार कार्ड मिला है, 2 पैन कार्ड मिला है और बांग्लादेश का कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट मिला है।
अच्छा, बांग्लादेश का कोई आदमी मिला है यहाँ पे?
हाँ, एक मिला है, बाकी वो लोकल पुलिस उसको देखेंगे, उसका क्या है, वेयरअबाउट्स क्या है वो देखेंगे। हम इसका ही
सर, इसका नाम क्या बोला?
काजल सरकार।
सर, आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम बिटुल सेठिया, मैं एडिशनल एसपी असम।
Police presented the arrested people to the court on Saturday by asking transit remand. After that, they were taken to Assam. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.